Hey everybody, it's Mary and
Jackson.
Welcome back to Dreams to Reality Homestead. Okay. What in the world do I have in the bag? I have eggshells that I've baked. Why do I bake eggshells? Well, we bake them so that we can crunch them up and give them back to the chickens. Why do we crunch up the eggshells? We do that so it will give extra calcium back to the chickens and make their chicken eggs stronger. Because have you ever gotten eggs from the grocery store or even from your own backyard and you start to break them and they almost dissolve? They're just so soft. They need more calcium. Yes, I have the oyster shell calcium that they get every day or every other day out in the coop, but this is just a little bit of added bonus for them. And besides that, guys, it's free. We have it. We use the eggs. So I'm going to do something a little different today. I usually throw them in my food processor, but my handy dandy little helper here is going to break them for me. He's going to use our meat tenderizer and break them up and hopefully not get them all over the kitchen. Okay, Jackson, you see this flat part?
Yeah.
Okay, break them. You don't have to break them, you don't have to hit them crazy hard. There you go. You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
You think the chickens are going to like this?
Yep.
Okay, let me flip it over so you can get those. You've done a good job. I'll just break them up a little bit more before I take them out there. But folks, just because you have a young child doesn't mean there's not jobs that they can do on the farm or the homestead. It's important to include everybody. Even though you can't do as much as what big people do, you can still help, right?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
And folks, thank you all for watching. If you don't care, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share it. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks a bunch, and we'll see you guys on the next video.